All right, we're going to have a look at the source medium report in Google Analytics. All right, so the next one is the traffic report under acquisition, and really what you get into here is the channels report, but I don't really find it that useful to look at this. I mean, it is sort of misleading because you just look at some nominal values based on where do I get the traffic from and how much of it converts and what are the pages per session and things like that. But it doesn't really tell me anything about like what do I do, like what is good or bad on my website, right? It doesn't tell me that, so it doesn't give me a hint on what I can change in order to improve. So what I much rather do is I go here to source medium, which means that I get all of them more specifically listed out, and then I sort for goal completions if that is the job I am going to do. If I'm looking for to optimize for site usage, then I might sort per pages per visit or average session duration, or if I'm about to decrease bounce rate, then I will look for the lower pages there to find some good examples. But now I want to increase my goal completions, and so I sort for that. What I do then is I add landing page. So I want to know what page did they actually land to, and is there a landing page which is better than all other landing pages on my website for external traffic. And as I can see, there is. It is the Google Analytics audit template, which of course is a converting landing page. It is one of my lead pages. So of course it brings in a lot more leads. But then I go here and I try to find some other page like the system here that is actually pulling in some leads. And I try to look at why doesn't it, which is also a lead page actually. And then I try to figure out why doesn't it pull in as many leads as the Google Analytics audit template. Looking at the website, it becomes pretty evident why this is the case. Because if you look here at the audit template, I have designed it better. There is a video to it. I have explained in very thorough depth about what you're actually going to get once you get into this report and once you sign up. It's for free, so that shouldn't matter. It has one blocker, which is monthly updates here, which people should be a little bit scared about. But they also get to double opt-in, so that shouldn't be a problem. However, if we compare this to the books page, the books page looks terrible. So I understand why not more people sign up on this page. And looking at the traffic measures here, we have 14 people. Actually, that's kind of good. But now we did that. Let's sort for landing page instead and do the system. Actually, it won't show up here. How am I going to do this now? Let's open this up. And let's see all of the traffic coming to that page. Here we go. So it's actually not that much traffic anyway. So it was actually quite a good conversion rate, which makes my analysis redundant, which is the case sometimes. I should have looked at that as well. But you get the process, right? You go into Google Analytics, you try to figure out why some landing pages in this case would work, or you go and you write campaign, and then you see how they work from different types of sources. And then you go in, so that is, you're always using this report in order to try to optimize some part of your flow. And that's why it's under acquisition, because you're trying to acquire traffic that is better and, not traffic that is worse. So that's one of the things that I like to look at here. So that is how I would use the source medium report in Google Analytics in order to improve my website all the time. And not so much the traffic sources themselves, but we get back to that.